Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I am going to do a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 6a. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Yes, I had the Pixel 6a. Hopefully you like that quick intro unboxing. Yes, there's not much to unbox, but I need to give a big shout out to Google for sending this to me for review. Hashtag gift from Google, hashtag Team Pixel for life. They sent me out the white version. Look at that. Bam, with the little silver top on there. I love the side. That matte black right there too. Man, this is a definitely nice phone. It is a little smaller than maybe what I was thinking. It says, welcome to your Pixel. But in this part of the video, I'm gonna just go over the specs really quick, a little bit of it. I don't wanna make this video too long. I will come back and do like a 24-hour later video, give you my first impressions. My fellow YouTubers said a lot of people don't do unboxings anymore. They don't watch it. So make sure if you're watching this, share this with your friends, your family, post it on your Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, wherever you wanna post it. Let's make sure people watch this video. Now on the back, you do have a wide angle lens, and then you also have an ultra wide. If you're looking for the telephoto lens, there's no telephoto lens on this phone at all. Does not come with a headphone jack either, but you do have a speaker at the bottom, a mic, and then the USB Type-C charging port. On this side, you have the power button and the volume rockers. On this side, there's nothing there. At the top, you have a microphone and some antenna lines. So if you're looking for a headphone jack, this is not the phone for you to get. It comes with the Tensor chip on here. It has the Android 12. They guarantee 3 updates on here, 3 OS updates. So you probably will get 13, 14, and 15. It comes with a 4,400 milliamp hour battery, 128 gigs of storage. So you have a lot of different features. Now, one thing that's missing is wireless charging. It has an IP67 water resistant rating on here. The display is a 6.1 inch 1080p display. Now here's what was trending on Twitter all the time was this is a 60 hertz panel. Yesterday 60 hertz was everywhere on Twitter, so we will test out that display. I want to see how bad it really is or how good it really is, because some people were saying that 60 hertz, they should have at least went with 90. I don't know, but y'all let me know. Y'all also let me know what type of videos you want to see, gaming videos, camera tests. I will definitely be doing some of those. Stay tuned to the end of this video. I will do some photos at the end so that way we can test out the camera just a little bit. I will do a camera test. I want to test this out really good. So y'all let me know what y'all want to see. Hopefully you like this video, but look at this. The Pixel 6 with the 6a. Now the 6a is a little bit smaller, as you can tell there. The one thing too is the camera hump is a lot less noticeable or lower on the 6a than the 6. But look at that. Now in the 6, it's Sage, but I have a D brand skin on there. But Which one will you choose, the 6 or the 6A? We will discuss that later too. One other comparison, here's my S22 Ultra. Maybe I should, oh, look at the size of that. Maybe I should just test out the cameras on both of these too, just for the fun of it. Can a $449 phone beat a $1,100 phone? Again, just let me know what y'all want to see in videos. Stay tuned to the end. Like I said, I'm gonna have photos coming up really soon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 6a. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter, become part of the BAM Nation, and until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.